Hi, Teresa. So these are item numbers. So if you look at this in A893, and then if you come down here, this is the chart. 93 is actually tires at $55 each. So if you look at 142, it's a carburetor. So it will look at this chart for either the item name or the price. So the first thing you have to do is select all of the table that you're going to refer to. So this is the lookup table. So you select all of it and then click up here, which is the name box. Just click in there and I'm just going to type table. You can call it whatever you want, press enter. To see if you did it correctly, if you click this down arrow and then it's listed there, when you click it, it selects the range that you just saved. So now in here, in item name, you want it to look up what's in A8 with number 93, and it should look up from this table that it's tires. So you can click the FX, or you can also do it from formulas, insert function, and then when you, in the category, it's under VLookUp. Actually, it's logical first, then VLookUp. Lookup, here it is, lookup and reference, and then it's down here, VLookUp, and then OK. So the lookup value, you're telling it to look at A8, and the table, what did you call it? I called it table. And then the column, meaning we want the item name, so this would be column 1, this is column 2, column 3. So the name is in column 2. So type 2. And then for the range lookup, you don't want it to go anywhere but in that column, so type false. And then you can actually see that the first one's already in there for you, that it's tires. So then I'll click OK. And then if I use my fill handle, it should fill in all of the item names. So for the unit cost, same thing, insert function. It should be still on lookup and reference, VLookUp. And I'm doing the same thing. I want it to look up A8. And I called the table. And this time the column that I'm looking for the unit price, and that's in column 1, 2, it's in 3. And again, false. It should be $55. And then OK. And then you can fill handle. And then if you want to, then you can then do a value where it's 55 times, shouldn't be dollars, this should be just general. So that's VLookUp when you're going vertical down. This HLOOKUP is if you were going horizontal across the grades and the letters. I also have the directions down here for what you would fill in the VLookUp. I hope this helps. Good luck.